where you at? Where you going? I've been trying to catch a break, but it's just life and we're just flowing. Only time I get excited when my pistol get it blowing. My weird woman scheming, bond and murder, she ain't knowing. I can't tell you how I live, I lost a mind at 17. Combination from them skits and all the shit that niggas sing. Fuck promoting, but it's Glocky on my side, I let it sing. Then suckers clicking up, I find it dumb, they intervene. I don't wanna open up like there's a demon at my door. You don't wanna bring a violence, I ain't beefing with no hoe. I was surfing on my ops, you know them niggas ain't you know. Disappointed in myself, cause all this shit I couldn't show. If I ever get that chance, change my mind and change my ways. It's probably up in heaven, cause on the earth they gotta pay. I was walking niggas down, mossy blood up on my J's. Just know your baby, making sure you comfy where you lay. I'm my father's strongest soldier, dedication to my blood. They tell you life's a gamble, you the dice without the die. No vision of a marriage, but I'm in love with shooting Glocks. I can tell you what I did before my gang, I did a lot. Rest in peace in my heart, it's so stuck up in the cage. And my mind is getting cloudy like they sparking up a flame.